Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifeoluwa. If you are here for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be detangling my hair. This is the state of my hair right now. I just loosened my loose braids that I had on for like 4 weeks. Yes, I washed my hair in between that. So I've loosened it now. So I'm just gonna go ahead to show you how it looks. So this is just the way my hair looks right now. It looks so dry and confused. This is a confused state. I'm just gonna get into detangling it. So guys, before we get into this video, there is something I'd like to show you guys. I have transitioned from this, yes, my DIY spray bottle, from this to this right here. I'm so excited to try this out. So I'm going to be using this is my spray bottle. It has only water inside. This is a conditioner that I got from a local store in my area, and I'm going to be using my detangling brush and also my white tooth comb. So I'm going to be using this rubber bands to hold my hair in portions. So the first thing I'm going to do is to spray my hair with this spray bottle. Water inside, just water. Just to squint it with some water, so it will be easy for me to walk through. My hair is a bit moisturized right now. So the next thing is I'm going to add this conditioner. You can decide to use your leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to use this one. This conditioner is so slippery, like, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. I'm gonna add a generous amount of conditioner to my hair. Making sure it gets everywhere. You can see it's looking so soft already. I'm going to need lots of conditioner for this. So after applying my conditioner, I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 portions, so to be easier to walk through. So I'll be working with this section first. Just gonna go ahead and add little conditioner again, paying attention to the tip of my hair, because it's the one that's the most tangled part. Just pay attention to it. Then just going to start detangling. Finger detangling it to get all knots and tangles out. Going to do, you have to be very, very calm to detangle your hair. You don't want your hair to break, so you have to be very careful, most especially when you have a long hair. To be careful in detangling. That's why it's advisable you finger detangle before using your detangling brush or detangling comb. So just going to walk your hands through it like this. You have to be very, very patient. If you don't have patience, you can't detangle properly. You will lose your hair. you lose your hair. If you feel like the conditioner is not enough, you can add more in between. Just make sure to just walk your hands through it. Be careful with your hair. And when choosing conditioner, make sure it's a conditioner that can slip through, like that is very slippery, like this one. Make sure you choose a very slippery conditioner. When you get stuff like this, don't be scared. It's normal. It's your hair. It's the shaded portion of your hair. Just going to go ahead and detangle with my comb. I'll start from the tip like this, then walk the comb through my hair like so. Take another portion, repeat the same process. So I'm just going to use the detangling brush right now. Repeat the same process too. Just look at it. So detangled right now. So this is done. So being able to detangle this, I'm just going to put it into a 2-strand twist like so. So I'm just going to move to the other sections. So this is the amount of hair I lost to the detangling process. This is not much compared to when I don't detangle very well, because I don't even want to try, because if I try it, I'm going to lose my hair. I would have said I should try, combing my hair without going through all this process, but I love my hair so much. So this is just the hair. So this is a reasonable amount. This is not too much shedding. So when you detangle properly, you lose less hair, because it's not possible for you not to shed your hair at all. If your hair is as full as mine, just know you are going to require a lot of conditioner to detangle your hair. So I'm just going to wash my hair, apply my deep conditioner, and also prep my hair. My next video will be about me washing my hair. So if you enjoyed watching this video and like to see more good content, please subscribe and also like my videos and share my videos with your friends and people you think will be interested in this kind of content. So see you in the next one. Bye.